So I'm trying to monitor the fast charging today. I think I came back home at around 40% or something. Let me check. There you go. What do we have? Battery temperature was 37 degrees at 7:26 p.m. Motor temperature was 47.6. Any messages? Spamming. So today I traveled 84.1 kilometers. And okay, it was not 41 or something. It was 38% battery. Okay. And efficiency was poor today because in the morning I rode very fast to drop my daughter. Efficiency of 24.9. And as I said, I rode fast. So top speed was 103. I did a lot of region. Probably this bug is there. So I think region was 4.2 kilometers instead of 6.2 because in 4.00 this region bug was there, which used to show 2 kilometers of region for no apparent reason. Anyway, so I'm trying to monitor charging progress. As you can see, the charging has started to slow down. Yeah, it is slowing down, but I don't know at what percent because I replaced horn and they still haven't got the approval to close the ticket under warranty. Somehow I got the horn replaced, but the front, that mudguard thing from left side, it is still protruding outside. I couldn't get it resolved in 2.5 hours. It was a horrific time. I only had 10 minutes to spare, but I ended up spending more than 2.5 hours, actually quarter to 3 hours in total. And still it was back to square one. They opened the front door. So somehow I forced them to replace the horn because the earlier horn, it was making multiple distorting noises, suggesting that the diaphragm had got damaged. So yeah, this is a new thing Ola has started. If there is any open ticket, you cannot operate the vehicle. You cannot use the mobile app for some reason. I don't know why. You cannot even see how much is the battery percentage. It's quite amazing. You don't know what is the battery percentage. You cannot lock or unlock the vehicle. You can do nothing, making it more difficult. Basically, there's no way I can know the battery percentage as far as I can see. They're talking about today's rides in the morning. Oops. I'm trying to, yeah, okay. So, morning, early morning. This was to and fro. While going, my efficiency was around 31.8 or something like that, as I saw while dropping the daughter. And average speed was 40. Top speed of 103. I don't know. I think I did it while returning. Yeah. While going, it was 78 or something. While returning, while climbing the CPR, I did speed up. Yeah. So that's when I might have touched 103. And I hardly did anything. But anyway, 787 meters is quite a lot of region. So yeah, that's about it. I'm not able to monitor at what percentage and what temperature the charging has started to reduce. I cannot unlock the vehicle. Let me try to go near the vehicle. I think proximity lock and lock may still work. Let's see. No, there's no proximity icon here. So I don't think proximity unlock will work. Yeah, no proximity unlock. Let me try to unlock this through passcode. And I can't, because in fast charging touchscreen doesn't work. So I can't enter the passcode. So I cannot see what's the current battery percentage or what's the current temperature when it started slowing down. So from 38, in probably 20 minutes or so, when it started slowing down, I'm assuming the battery percentage was 58. So at 58%, it started slowing down also. And it is gradually slowing down as we speak. Yep. And I think it will go down to around 1200 watts, and it will stay at that at 1200 watts till about, I think, 89%. And after then it will again start slowing down, but it will do 90 to 100% in, like, I think 45 minutes or so, 30 to 45 minutes, because it will continue to do fast charging till 98, 99% only, faster than 750 watts, even when it is overheated. Overheated means I think the temperature is higher than 38 degrees or something like that. Not as such overheated, 38 or 42 degrees. I don't know, but yeah, that's what I'm assuming. Now it is 1400 watts. It will stabilize at around 1200, 1250 watts. All right. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye.